Moin, this is Timo from KDAP. Welcome to the cluster demo videos. In this episode, let's talk about data-drivenness. When your 3D model provides different features of a car or machine or whatever, and you want to reflect those features in your application, you normally would avoid doing all those features in code. You would strive for a data-driven approach instead. And this is where the GLTF file format we use for Quasar comes into play. This is the showroom scene of our demo. We have a lot of features here, like labels tracking objects in screen space, different cameras we can choose from, animations and effects we can control from the UI, and various car paints we can apply to the model. All those features are defined in the 3D scene, in this case in Blender by the designer. With GLTF you can attach arbitrary number or string properties to objects. This is what we do here. For a label, for example, we just create a node and attach its text to it. In the code we just need to search for those nodes and retrieve the parameters text. Same thing for the car paint materials. We define a couple of dummy nodes with the respective materials attached to them. And in code we just need to search for these nodes and materials and rewire. For the animation and effect controls, we create some nodes in Blender with parameters referencing animation names. In code, each of those nodes result in a dynamically created control in our side panel. This is a flexible way of working. So the big advantage here is whenever a model or a feature set changes, you just need to have the designer change it in Blender. The engineer can prepare the code and won't have to touch it again on changes. There's another video where Kersey shows how to replace entire models in the application. The link is down in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.